question everyone's asking, Atlas is shedding gas and particles. Are we in danger? Atlas's plume contains cyanide and hydrogen cyanide, chemical weapons banned after World War I. People are worried. Here's why they shouldn't be. Follow right now so you don't miss Atlas updates. The math is brutal and simple. Atlas never comes closer than 55 million kilometers from Earth's orbital path. But the gas it's releasing? Solar wind stops it dead at 5 million kilometers. That's 1/10 the distance to us. The physics doesn't work. Gas can't bridge that gap. Here's the clinical breakdown. Gas molecules travel at thermal speeds of a few hundred meters per second. At Atlas's distance from the Sun, solar wind flows at 400 kilometers per second, literally 1,000 times faster. The ram pressure from this wind creates a termination shock that strips away any gas within days. We measure this termination around 5 million kilometers from Atlas. Earth sits 55 million kilometers away. The math is unambiguous. Dust smaller than a micrometer? Solar radiation pressure pushes it away even faster than the gas. The radiation pressure force on a dust grain exceeds gravitational attraction by factors of 10 to 100. These particles don't just fail to reach Earth, they're accelerated away from the Sun, never even pointing in our direction. Objects larger than a millimeter face? Probability hell. Atlas has released maybe 1 million such objects across its entire journey. Earth's cross-section presents a target 13,000 kilometers wide. The odds of any single object intersecting our orbit? Less than 1 in a billion. Objects larger than a meter? Maybe 1,000 released. The probability drops to 1 in a trillion. Big stuff is too rare. Small stuff burns up. Even if something did reach us, millimeter-sized debris vaporizes in the upper atmosphere at 100 kilometers altitude. Meter-sized objects? They break up and burn too, with only centimeter fragments reaching the surface. The chemistry that makes Atlas fascinating also makes it harmless. Spread across millions of kilometers of space, diluted to homeopathic concentrations by the time it reaches Earth's neighborhood. Natural debris is safe. The solar system is big enough to keep us perfectly safe from even the most anomalous interstellar visitor. But technological propulsion? Different story. If objects can maneuver with delta-v capabilities beyond natural means, then distance becomes irrelevant and probability calculations fail. That's not physics, that's engineering.